हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। एंड मुझे पता है कि हम लोग बहुत ही लेट से ये लॉन्ग वीडियोस फिर से अपलोड करें। पूरा 2-3 महीना शायद हो गया है कि लास्ट लॉन्ग वीडियोस अपलोड किए थे, क्योंकि हम लोगों का ये पूरा होम कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा था। जो लास्ट लॉन्ग वीडियो है उसमें भी हम आप लोग देखे थे कि हम लोग वो घर का सामान ही ख़रीदने के लिए जा रहे थे। तो वो एक लॉन्ग वीडियो था, तो हम लोग पूरा ही अपना घर का सामान खुद ख़रीद के लाए थे। आइए आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं कि कैसा कंप्लीट होने के बाद कैसा लग रहा है हम लोगों का घर। फुल होम टूर ऑफ आवर ड्रीम हाउस। वेलकम टू आवर लिविंग रूम। दिस इज़ आवर डाइनिंग टेबल. This is our sofa where you can just have so many pillows around you. I need so many pillows, and you can just relax and watch TV. And then if you are not quite relaxed on this sofa, you have this sofa, which is my favorite. As you can see, like this. So both are comfortable, but this one is my favorite. And then if you come here, you can see outside. You can enjoy the rain. अभी बारिश हो चुका है, तो you can see the wet ground. And this is our mango tree, beloved mango tree. So during rainy season, it is like a fairy tale kind of scene. You are just sitting here, having a cup of coffee, watching outside, enjoying the rain. So this is my favorite spot in the dining room. And if you just look here, this is my kitchen. This is an open kitchen which is connected to the dining room. And this is my chandelier here. I don't use this light much. I use just the chimney light. Let me show you. While cooking, I use my chimney light, this light, or I use this light, profile light. So I have too many lights in the room. I know. I mean in the kitchen as well as in the dining room. And here also I have too much light. मैंने ये डिसाइड किया था कि बहुत ही कम बजट में वी विल कंप्लीट द किचन. ये मैंने एक्रेलिक दिया है इधर. हम दोनों ने, मैं और कुलविंदर जाके चूज़ किए थे ये एक्रेलिक, जो कि मार्केट में पूरा नया आया है एक्रेलिक. फर्स्ट लैमिनेट था, फिर पीवीसी. ये एक्रेलिक का ये नया सिस्टम है. फिर प्रोफाइल लाइटिंग किया है. फिर नीचे भी पूरा कैबिनेट देख ही सकते हैं, पूरा जगह कैबिनेट है. फिर ये पूरा जैक्वार का टैप है. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ पाती कुछ लो क्वालिटी का टैप यूज़ किया है. ये जैक्वार का टैप है. फिर इधर भी एक ओपन शेल्फ है, उधर हाइड्रोलिक शेल्फ है. दिस वन इज़ अ हाइड्रोलिक शेल्फ. और ये हिंजेस सब हैफेल, हेटिक, ये सब भी मैंने और कुलविंदर जाके उधर से लिया है. चांदनी चौक है हम लोगों का कोलकाता में मार्केट, सो उधर से ही लिया है. सो मैंने बोला था कि मुझे ऐसा एक हाइड्रोलिक शेल्फ चाहिए. सो the carpenter that we consulted for the kitchen, those who worked on in this kitchen, they said okay, we can do it. And this total kitchen budget, it is within 1 lakh, not within, around 1 lakh. So Homeland gave us a quotation of 5 lakh, and we have done this within 1 lakh. एंड ये ग्रेनाइट आप देख सकते हैं, जो जब हम मार्बल ख़रीदने गए थे उस वीडियो में शायद होगा कि ये सबसे सुंदर ग्रेनाइट था उधर का. सबसे डिज़ाइन, इसका टेक्सचर आप देख ही सकते हैं कितना सुंदर टेक्सचर है. ऐसा वेवी टेक्सचर है पूरा. तो दिस चिमनी वॉज गिफ्टेड by his mom as a housewarming present, and this fridge was gifted by my mom as a housewarming present. So come here, here we have a basin. This is also जैक्वार का कल है. ये एसो का बेसिन है. फिर ये भी लाइट इसमें जलता है. उधर आप डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठे हो, खाना खाए हो, तो आप इधर आके हाथ धो ले सकते हो. So the kitchen tour is now over, and let's come. This is our working space. So we have a little mandir also here. because he is Punjabi, we have the Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, and we have Lord Jagannath and Lord Ganesha, and we have a chotu sa golden temple ka murti. Chotu sa. When we went to Punjab, we bought that. So this is our chotu sa mandir. There are 2 drawers. We keep all the mandir things there. And this is our, not mine, this is Kulbinder's workspace. Mine is the dining sofa. So this is Kulbinder's workspace. This is where he likes to work. So this room doesn't have many furniture or anything because we don't like things to be crowded. We have this shelf built in the wall. We keep the books here, and we have some drawers as well in the table, built in the table. So he likes to use this drawer to keep his items and all the file and everything, important documents. And we don't like to overcrowd the room. We have some weights as well because we both like to exercise. I don't do exercise much now, but Kulbinder does exercise every morning. I'll join. Come again. This is our balcony, and we do have a light here as well. You can see the light properly because it's still light outside. This is the light. I have some plants here. These are my plants, all money plants and some leaves. Come to our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. As you can see, the bed. So this is the bedroom. I have a small this is a small bookshelf that I have ordered from Amazon. This is very aesthetically pleasing in this room. It gives a nice vibe to this room. And then I have my dressing table right here, right by the window. So in the morning when I do the makeup, I can get the natural light from the window. So I've kept it towards the window so I can get the light from the window and I can do my makeup here. So I don't need all these lights from in this room. So I can get the natural light just from the window and I can do my makeup. And this is also a revolving chair. This is my favorite chair to sit when I'm in this room. Just the necessary ones. 2 chairs. This one I have bought from Shantiniketan. This is made by hand. This is called Beter chair. This is made by Beth. This is a Bengali architecture, like this is a Bengal made thing. This thin, I don't know what it's called, but it is called Beth in Bengali. And this is the cushion I bought from Temu in UK. So I like to keep it here and it's soft and you can sit here. And there's not much furniture around here, just the basic ones. So the next room is the bathroom. This is our bathroom. We have a cabinet, big cabinet, sink cabinet and a tabletop basin, which is a big basin. But this is not made for my height. I have to like tiptoe over here and brush my teeth like this. This is made for Kulbinder's height, not my height. And then there's the shower space. As you can all see, it's separated from a glass door. That's the shower space. There are all my things, body wash and everything. There's a fan, there's an exhaust. And then here is a brushing area. I have kept all the brush and paste here. Everything in this house is a very minimalist effect. Like you won't see too much of things here and there. It is very minimalist. Like all the necessary things and all the useful things are only kept in this house, because too much of things in my space, my mind is like plugged like this. I can't think. I need wide space. I need room to think. So for my thinking process, I have kept it open, airy. So you can see a lot of windows, a lot of big windows as well, where the sun, the light, the air comes inside the house. And I like my space to be like bright, beautiful, sunny. so that I can be all smiley, cheery, bubbly all day. Because if my mood is down, then everyone mood is down in this house. So that's why. So here you can see there's a big window. Like it goes from here to that end, and then it also connects to that end. So in the morning when the sun rises, this is the east side. So when the sun rises in the east, all the sunlight, the morning sunlight, it comes through this window, this whole big windows, and it overflows this corridor. The total corridor is overflowed with sunlight, the morning sunlight, which is very good for your body as well. You need to soak in the morning sunlight for vitamin D and everything. The next room is the changing room. So this is the changing room, and this room, the changing room, the dressing room, as you may call it, is connected to the bathroom. I mean, the bathroom is also connected to this room, and this room is connected to the bathroom. So when we take a bath, we just come from the bathroom, come to this room, and we change here, and we go outside. So if any guest or someone, he's having friend over, so I just can take a bath there and then peacefully come to this room and change, and then get dressed and go to that room and attend all the guests there and all the friends. So and then we have this room. Dun, 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 dun.
This is our storeroom.
This is our storeroom, which is
This is
a guest room as well, which is not yet completed.
This is our कच्चा room. यहाँ पे कच्चे सुखाए जाते हैं, कपड़े सुखाए जाते हैं.
ये अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि उधर एक बाथरूम भी होगा. वो एक छोटा सा विंडो जो है वो एक अटैच्ड बाथरूम होगा, तो ये अभी भी कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं हुआ है. तो ये जब होगा. और ये सब पूरा मतलब अंडर बजट हो गया है. ये सब पूरा मतलब एकदम अंडर बजट. लाइक हम लोगों का बजट था विदिन 5 लाख, थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो गया है 6 लाख के अंदर
वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताएंगे कि ऑल टोटल हमारा कितना क्या बजट हुआ है.
हाँ, मतलब विदिन बजट हो गया है. अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग बजट बोले कि क्या मतलब कितना प्राइस है, किस चीज़ का क्या प्राइस है, कहाँ से ख़रीदे हम लोग किस चीज़, कहाँ से हम लोग ऑर्डर किए थे किस चीज़, तो वी कैन टेल यू इवन से इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. हाँ, अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड है, सो प्लीज़ डू गाइज यू डू कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो एनीथिंग, वेयर डू वी बॉट दिस, what is the price of anything, if I should recommend this item or that, if I should recommend acrylic or not. So if you have any queries about anything, I have used this item for 1 month now. This house was completed within May, and I have used this for 1 month, all these items. If you want to buy anything, you can ask me in the comment and we will reply to that comment. And also please do guys comment what did you like in this whole house, what did you like the most, which section you like the most. Is it the dining room, is it the kitchen, is it the changing room, or is it the working space, or is it the bedroom? Which room did you like the most? How did you like our colors? This is the color we chose. Everything. We want to know everything. How much did you like it? How much you didn't like it? So tell us everything. And guys, those who are new to our channel, the AK Saga, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. Do comment on this video. Whatever you want to comment, do comment on this video. Share your thoughts with us on our new place. We would like to hear from you as well. We will upload a long video on every coming Friday, and we will try to be consistent with it. And so please do support us. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for following us so long. Those of you who are here with us, and see you in the next video.